Yeah. Okay. Students, doing the last part of this topic, that is electronegativity. Now, what is electronegativity? Electronegativity is defined as the power of an element, of an atom of an element to attract share pair of electron toward itself in a compound. And B is bounded by a bond. There are two electrons. These two electrons are shared pair. But these electrons are pulled either towards A or towards the B, depend upon electronegativity of A and B. If A has got more power to pull the electron toward itself, then the share pair of electron will be more towards A, and A will acquire a partial negative charge where B will acquire a partial positive charge. Or if B has got more power to attract electron, then B will have partial negative charge or A will have a partial positive charge. So this A, electronegativity of A is greater than electronegativity of B. Electronegativity of A is less than electronegativity of B. So electronegativity if is of A is greater than the pair of B, then the share pair of electron will be towards A and oppositely. Now, on what does the electronegativity depends? Electronegativity of an element depends upon number one, atomic size. Electronegativity is inversely proportional to atomic size. That means smaller is the size, more will be power to attract the electron. For example, if this is a nucleus, this is one atom, this is another atom, this is a nucleus, and they're sharing two electrons. If this is A and this is B, size of A atomic size of A is less than atomic size of B. Therefore, En will have more power. En of A will be greater than En of B. Because the size is smaller, the electrons are closer to this nucleus. So this nucleus will attract the electron toward itself. Whereas this nucleus is far from the electron. So it will not attract. These two electrons are closer to this nucleus, therefore they will attract and electron will be shifting towards A. Okay. So it is atomic size chota, electronegativity more. Second, nuclear charge. E is directly proportional to nuclear charge. More is the nuclear charge, more will be the electron affinity. If this is 13, and this is 17, both have got same shell. Here there are 3 shells, and here there are 3 shells. But nuclear charge is 13 and nuclear charge is plus 17. Therefore, electronegativity of A, if this is A and this is B, will be more than electronegativity of B. Okay. So these are the factors mean of atomic size and nuclear. Now, due to difference in electronegativity of two bond become polar, becomes polar. The molecule become polar. If A is bounded to B and it is shifted towards A, this will have partial negative charge, this will have partial positive charge. Or if, if B if electron has come here, it will be marched here or this. So these are what polar molecule, because they have got polar charges. If A and B, the electronegativity is less, the electron will be in the center. This is non-polar molecule. Okay. So this was electronegativity. Now, in short, I'll do atomic size, down the group, across the period, from left to right, down the group, decreases, increases, decreases. Ionization enthalpy, decreases, increases. Electron gain enthalpy, decreases, increases. Electronegativity, decreases, increases. Okay. So this is in short what we are these are the main points which we'll be studying in this chapter. Okay. So let's start with some questions. MCQs. Today I will not take the 2 hours because there is some family relative have expired. I have to go for the funeral. So I'll be leaving at 12 o'clock. आज पूरा मैं नहीं ले सकता. I have to attend one funeral. जरा लाइट चालू करो इधर. ये बाजू का लाइट चालू करो. ये okay. Let's see. पहला. The incorrect statement among the following is: the first ionization enthalpy of aluminium is less than that of first ionization enthalpy of magnesium. Now, where is aluminium? Where is magnesium? Okay. Where is aluminium? There are 4 points. First ionization enthalpy of aluminium is less than the first ionization enthalpy of magnesium. The second ionization enthalpy of magnesium is greater than the second ionization enthalpy of sodium. The first ionization enthalpy of sodium is less than the first ionization enthalpy of magnesium. Third ionization enthalpy of magnesium is greater than the third ionization enthalpy of aluminium. Now, what is ionization enthalpy? Energy required to remove the electron. What is first, second, and third? Energy required to remove the first electron is called first ionization enthalpy. Energy required to remove the second electron from the same atom is called as second ionization enthalpy. And third, the energy required to remove the third electron is called as a third ionization enthalpy. Now see here, पहला statement देखेंगे. The first ionization enthalpy of aluminium का electronic configuration है 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. This is the valence shell. You can remove this electron easily and you'll get Al plus 3, Al plus 1, sorry. And you'll get 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s0, 3s, okay, 3s2 and 3p1. मैं mistake किया, इसको निकालें. So 3s2 and 3p0. This is first ionization enthalpy. First ionization enthalpy of magnesium. Magnesium का क्या है? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. In magnesium, the electron is to be removed from 3s2. And what you'll get? Magnesium plus 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. This is first ionization enthalpy. Now you tell me where this value will be greater or this value will be greater. Is it easier to remove 3p1 or from 3s2? It is easier to remove electron from 3p1 than from 3s2, right? Energy required to remove electron from 3p1 is less than 3s2 of magnesium. Therefore, the first statement is correct statement. We want incorrect statement. Then second statement क्या है? Second ionization enthalpy of magnesium is greater than the second ionization enthalpy of sodium. Magnesium का second ionization enthalpy यानी magnesium में 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2. To remove one, this is first ionization enthalpy, and you will get this. (3s1). Now, to remove the one more electron, this will be second ionization enthalpy, and you will get 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s0. Sodium, atomic number 11, 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1. To remove one electron, this is first ionization enthalpy, 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s0. Now to remove one more electron, you'll have to remove from 3p6. It is very difficult to remove electron from 2p6. Very difficult to remove electron from 2p6 because it is completely filled orbital. To remove electron from completely filled orbital, more energy is required. Whereas in aluminium or magnesium, the electron is removed from 3s1. इसमें second ionization potential is removed from 2p6. So more energy is required to remove the second electron from sodium than to remove second electron from magnesium. But here it is gone ulta. Ulta, magnesium is greater than sodium. Therefore, the second statement, the B statement, is the incorrect statement. So question 1, B is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. Incorrect. This is incorrect statement. Okay. Next. Next question. Decreasing order of ionization potential of following. Decreasing order of ionization potential from following. See, Before this, I'll just give you a summary. Ionization potential means what? Energy required to remove the electron. Ionization potential, that means ionization enthalpy, is greater for S, which is greater than P, which is greater than D, which is greater than F. That means more energy is required to remove electron from S, then from P, then from D, then from S. Ionization enthalpy is more to remove electron from completely filled orbital. Completely filled orbitals and half filled orbital. मैं बताता हूं. Energy for H2, these are completely filled orbital. H2, P6, D10, F14, इनकी एनर्जी मोर है. एंड हाफ फिल ऑर्बिटल यानी P3, D5 and F14, F7 सॉरी. तो इस पे देखो क्या दिया है. नियॉन, क्लोरीन, फॉस्फोरस. नियॉन की तो सबसे ज्यादा है पक्का, बिकॉज नियॉन हैज neon atomic number 10, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Electron is to be removed from here, and neon is an inert element. Maximum electronegativity. All inert elements have maximum electron because they are completely filled. The octet is more, so neon will be always more. ठीक है. उसके बाद क्या दिया? Phosphorus. No, sorry, chlorine. वो भी सही है. Chlorine atomic number 17, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p, 3p5. अब डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते. नेक्स्ट वाला फॉस्फोरस. फॉस्फोरस एटॉमिक नंबर 15, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. Then sulfur. Sulfur atomic number 16, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. Then aluminium 13, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. And magnesium 12, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Okay. So which will be in the order? सबसे ज्यादा एनर्जी किधर लगेगी? नियॉन. उसके बाद लगेगी क्लोरीन, बिकॉज उसका साइज छोटा है. अब इन दोनों में किसका लगेगा? इधर फॉस्फोरस में 3p3 से इलेक्ट्रॉन निकालना है एंड सल्फर में 3p4 से निकालना है. इसकी एनर्जी ज्यादा लगी बिकॉज इट इज अ हाफ फील्ड. दिस इज नॉट अ हाफ फील्ड. तो इसके बाद फॉस्फोरस, उसके बाद सल्फर. इन दोनों में किसका? मैग्नीशियम. मैग्नीशियम को 3s2 से निकालना है, एल्यूमिनियम को. तो इसके बाद मैग्नीशियम एंड देन लास्ट इज एल्यूमिनियम. तो नियॉन, क्लोरीन, phosphorus, sulfur, magnesium and aluminum. So answer is C. This is C. In any period, valency of an element with respect to oxygen valency of element with respect to oxygen, first it increases and then it decreases. First it increases by 1 and then it decreases from 50 to 1 by 1. तो पहला increase होती है फिर बाद में decrease होती है. So it is C answer. Electronic configuration of atom having maximum difference in the first and the second ionization enthalpy is फर्स्ट, इनमें फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड आयनेशन एंथैल्पी किस में होगा, कौन से इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में होगा? मैक्सिमम डिफरेंस. देखो फोर्थ, पहला ए क्या है? 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1. तो फर्स्ट के लिए इलेक्ट्रॉन 3s से निकालना. फर्स्ट के लिए इलेक्ट्रॉन 3s से निकालना है और सेकंड के लिए इलेक्ट्रॉन 2p6 से निकालना है. So your energy will be more. To remove electron from 2p6 because it is completely filled, energy less. So according to me it will be A. But let's see the other भी check करेंगे दूसरा. B में 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2. First from 3s2 and second from 3s1 because एक निकालने के बाद 3s1 more energy less energy. C 1s2 2s2 2p1. First 2p1 से and second 2s2 से. Less and this will be more. D 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p1. First 3p1 से निकालना है, second 3s2 से निकालना. Less and more. But this will be maximum difference. सब जगह है मैक्सिमम डिफरेंस यहां पर रहेगा बिकॉज 3s2 के बाद ये बनता है and this is neon, so the more energy required. So maximum difference between the first ionization and second is in A. So A is the answer. Next. Fifth. Electronic configuration and group number in the periodic table in which the element with atomic number 107 lies is given. 107 lies is given. तो कौन सा एलिमेंट है? 107। रेडॉन 5F14 6D1 7H2 7P4। इसका मतलब क्या? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ रेडॉन, रेडॉन का एटॉमिक नंबर कितना है? रेडॉन का एटॉमिक नंबर कितना है? व्हाट इज एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ रेडॉन? We'll find out what is the atomic number of radon. एक मिला, पीरियोडिक टेबल, मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल 93। रेडॉन आरएन दिया हो, आरएन इज नॉट दैट, इट इज रेडियम, रेडियम नॉट रेडॉन, आरएन ने कोई है। 86, 86 इज रेडॉन, यस। इसका एटॉमिक नंबर 86 है। इट इज एन इनर्ट एलिमेंट, atomic number 86। We have to find out what is the electronic configuration of 107। तो ये सबको ऐड करो, 86 प्लस 14 प्लस 1 प्लस 2 प्लस 4, कितना हो गया? 107। ओके, अब दूसरा क्या दिया है? 86 प्लस 14 प्लस 4 3D1 6D1 4F14 6D 7H2 7P5। This is A. What is B? Rn plus 5F14 6D5 7H2। Rn plus 5F14 sub 7H2 plus 7P5। दिस इज इन ग्रुप 3 बोलता है, ग्रुप 3 इट इज इम्पॉसिबल, it is in the period 7 but not, it is not in group 3 because it is not an inert actinide, so it is either B or 7, B or C, so it is 7S65 7P5, it is C answer, इसका C आंसर है। okay. Next 6-1, ionization enthalpy of second period element with atomic number as given। एक ग्राफ के फॉर्म में दिया आयनेशन एंथैल्पी. Enthalpy is given in the form of a graph. Ionization enthalpy, this is of period 2, huh? Period 2. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. वो पीरियड एलिमेंट का नाम दिए ना, हमको आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि एलिमेंट बी और ई कौन से हैं. एलिमेंट बी एंड सी ई कौन से हैं. सो देखो, what is given there? A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. What are group 2 elements? Group 2 elements are beryllium. Sorry. Group 2 elements are lithium, beryllium, beryllium, lithium, पहला lithium है, फिर बेरिलियम है, फिर बोरॉन है, फिर कार्बन है, फिर नाइट्रोजन है, फिर ऑक्सीजन है, फिर नियॉन है. तो व्हाट इज दैट एलिमेंट? व्हाट बी एंड ई? बेरिलियम एंड ई नाइट्रोजन. तो बेरिलियम और नाइट्रोजन का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सॉरी आयनेशन एंथैल्पी ज्यादा है. एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट एट पॉइंट बी एंड ई आर. Beryllium has higher ionization enthalpy and even nitrogen has higher ionization enthalpy. Reason है बेरिलियम का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कितना है? 1s2 2s2 एंड नाइट्रोजन का है 1s2 2s2 2p3. This is half filled and this is completely filled. So इसका energy ionization enthalpy will be more. So beryllium ionization enthalpy is more and even nitrogen is more because in nitrogen the electron is to be removed from half fill p orbital. Okay, next. As we move from left to right across the period, there is a regular decrease in atomic radii of the representative element. This is due to reason. Now, what are representative elements? Elements of third period are called as representative elements. Elements of the third period are called as a representative elements. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur. They are called as a representative elements. So इसका आंसर 6 का आंसर कौन सा? बी एन एन ना, बी आंसर. अभी 7. As we move from left to right in a period, there is a regular decrease in representative element. Which are the representative element? Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. This is period 3. Period 3 का. So there is a decrease in size. किसका size? Decrease in atomic size. Why? In this, the number of shell remains same. इनके अंदर number of shell remains same. सबके पास 3-3 shell है. Because they all in the third period. Element in the same period have same number of shell. But the nuclear charge goes on increasing. Number of energy shell remains same, but the nuclear charge goes on increasing. So answer is B. Answer is B. इसका न्यूक्लियर चार्ज +11, इसका न्यूक्लियर चार्ज +12, इसका न्यूक्लियर चार्ज +13, इसका न्यूक्लियर चार्ज +14. Nuclear charge is atomic number. So as the nuclear charge increases and the number of shell remains same, the size goes on decreasing. Okay. Now question number 8. So question number 7 का आंसर है B. 8. Which has got a highest density? Osmium. Is the most heaviest element in the periodic table. Highest osmium. Okay. चलो. Okay. Next. Which of the following is correct? Van der Waals radii of the chlorine is bigger than nitrogen. Van der Waals covalent radius of nitrogen is bigger than the fluorine. Van der Waals radii of chlorine is smaller than that of nitrogen. Now, what is van der Waals radii? What is van der Waals radii? वो समझाता हूं मैं. Ninth one. If this is one molecule and this is a nucleus, this is a second molecule of the same element, and this is a nucleus. I am explaining the meaning of van der Waals radius and meaning of covalent radius. The distance between the nuclei of the one molecule, the distance between nuclei of the one molecule and the nuclei of the second molecule, इसका half is called as van der Waals radius. And what is covalent radius? If this is a nucleus, what is covalent radius? This is a distance between a nuclei of the same molecule. इसका half is called as covalent radius. यानी एक ही मॉलिक्यूल का न्यूक्लियस का डिस्टेंस का हाफ is called as radius, covalent radius, and van der Waals radius means half the distance between nuclei of the two molecules, two separate molecule. ये एक मॉलिक्यूल है, इसका ये न्यूक्लियस है, ये दूसरा एटम, ये एक मॉलिक्यूल है. दूसरा मॉलिक्यूल ये है, उसका न्यूक्लियस है दूसरा, और इनके बीच में जो डिस्टेंस है उसका हाफ is called as van der Waals radius. So in this case, chlorine van der Waals radius is greater than the bigger than the nitrogen. क्लोरीन वांडरवाल रेडियस इज बिगर बिकॉज क्लोरीन में मॉलिक्यूल जरा दूर रहते हैं, नाइट्रोजन में मॉलिक्यूल करीब रहते हैं, right? Chlorine, the molecules are little far. So your answer is A. 10th. In a resonance of CH bond is 43.3 kilojoules per mole. The electronegativity difference of C and H. Electronegativity difference of C and H. X stands for electronegativity. इन दोनों के बीच में electronegativity difference कितना है? So there is a formula which is not in your textbook, but it is, there are three formulas. There are three formulas. कुठे गेला रे ते envelope कुठे गेलं कुठे हा this is. There are three formulas. 0.12102 under root delta E. What is delta E? Is equal to energy of A, B, sorry, delta E is equal to energy of AB minus square root of energy of AA into BB. Delta E is called as a resonance energy. Okay. And it is given in kilojoules. So you are taking it 0.102. If it is not given in kilojoules, then the formula different होता है. So 0.012 square root of 24.3. So this is 0.104. इसका square root कितना आएगा? More than 4 but less than 5. 25 रहता तो 5 आता, 16 रहता तो 4 आता. It will be somewhere 5.9. So 5.9 multiply by this. So you will get answer round about 0.5, 0.50. 5.9 multiply by 0.102 कितना होगा? 0.102 multiply by 5.9. 9 2s are 18, 9 1s are 9, 5 2s are 10, 5 8 1 10 6. So it will be 0.60. So एक ही आंसर है. It is 0.50. Answer is C. Next, fluorine has highest electronegativity among NH2NP5 group in the Pauling scale, but electroaffinity of fluorine is less than that of chlorine because what is NH2NP5 group? NH2NP5 group means group number 17, and that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. इनकी इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी 4 है, 3 है, 2.8 है and 2.5 है. This is according to Pauling scale. There are different scale of electronegativity. So fluorine का electronegativity is more than electronegativity of chlorine. But इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी, जिसकी इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी ज्यादा रहती वो इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी भी ज्यादा होती, लेकिन इसकी इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी समझो इधर 324 है तो ये 364 है, ये ज्यादा है। देन दिस इज 340 and then this is 310. So why fluorine, which is more electronegativity, why its electron affinity is less than electron affinity of chlorine? Because fluorine has got very small size. Fluorine has very small size. Atomic size. Huh? It has high electron density. So repulsion is maximum than attraction. Therefore, less energy is given out. Hence, electron affinity of fluorine is less than electron affinity of chlorine. तो ये कहाँ मिलेगा? Small size, high electron density. Answer is D. D is answer. 11. Element of the fourth period of the periodic table having maximum number of unpaired electron in its ground state. Maximum number of unpaired electron in its ground state. कौन सा, किसके पास मैक्सिमम अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन है? आंसर इज क्रोमियम, फिर भी देखेंगे। कैल्शियम एटॉमिक नंबर 12, सॉरी 20, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, नो अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन, सब पेयर है, सब पेयर, नो अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन। उसके बाद जिंक 30, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, नो अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन, सब पेयर है। उसके बाद आर्सेनिक क्या है? 33, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2 and 4p3. 4p3 means there are 3 unpaired electrons. Three unpaired electrons. उसके बाद है क्रोमियम, क्रोमियम एटॉमिक नंबर 24, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d4, 4s2. 3d4, there are 4 unpaired electrons. There are 4 unpaired electrons. So answer is 4s2 तो 2 पेयर होते हैं। आंसर इज क्रोमियम। नेक्स्ट 13, The correct arrangement of order of atomic radii among sodium, potassium, magnesium, rubidium. Sodium, potassium, magnesium and rubidium. करेक्ट ऑर्डर कौन सा है? अगर फर्स्ट पीरियड लेंगे, फर्स्ट ग्रुप लेंगे, तो लिथियम आता है, सोडियम आता है, पोटेशियम आता है, उसके बाद रुबिडियम, उसके बाद रुबिडियम आता है, उसके बाद सीजियम आता है। सेकेंड ग्रुप लेंगे तो इधर मैग्नीशियम आता है, इधर कैल्शियम आता है। ओके, तो बोलता करेक्ट ऑर्डर क्या है? इधर सबसे छोटू कौन है? सबसे छोटू देखो, सोडियम इज बिगर देन मैग्नीशियम, sodium is smaller than potassium, smaller than potassium, potassium is smaller than rubidium। तो सबसे छोटा कौन है? मैग्नीशियम, उसके बाद सोडियम, उसके बाद पोटेशियम, उसके बाद रुबिडियम। देखो सोडियम मैग्नीशियम से बड़ा है, इसका मतलब मैग्नीशियम छोटा है। सो मैग्नीशियम लेस देन सोडियम, sodium less than potassium, and potassium less than rubidium। Then 14, in which of the following order is the not according to property attributed against it? It is not according। उधर क्या दिया? A, Al+3 less than magnesium +2 less than sodium +1 less than fluorine, increasing ionic size, increasing ionic size, increasing, ऐसा दिया। This is the correct। एल्यूमिनियम +2 ऐसा है, +3, इसके इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन लिखोगे तो ही समझ में आएगा। 1s2 2s2, दिस इज एल्यूमिनियम +3। मैग्नीशियम +2 क्या है? 1s2 2s2 2p6। सोडियम +1 क्या है? 1s2 2s2 2p6। एंड फ्लोरीन +-1 क्या है? 1s2 2s2 2p6। सबका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन सेम है, दे आर आइसो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन। when same electronic configuration go this iso electronic configuration। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन सेम होने से एटॉमिक साइज सेम नहीं होता। फ्लोरीन सबसे बड़ा है, दैट इज ट्रू। अब इन दोनों में कौन बड़ा है? इसका न्यूक्लियर चार्ज 11 है और इसका न्यूक्लियर चार्ज 12 है और इसका न्यूक्लियर चार्ज 13 है। तो जितना न्यूक्लियर चार्ज उतना साइज छोटा, जितना न्यूक्लियर चार्ज बड़ा। तो एल्यूमिनियम इज स्मॉलर देन मैग्नीशियम, magnesium is smaller than sodium, and sodium is smaller than fluorine। So A is a correct statement. They want not according to, it is not according to this। इट इज सी आंसर। अब बी किया हमने, इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी, इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी। It is electron iodine less than iodine less than फ्लोरीन लेस देन ब्रोमीन लेस देन क्लोरीन। सबसे ज्यादा क्लोरीन है, उसके बाद ब्रोमीन है, उसके बाद फ्लोरीन है। Then oxygen, nitrogen is less than oxygen. No, sorry, B answer. Nitrogen का ionization enthalpy is more than oxygen. B answer. Sorry, B answer. B. B, carbon is less than boron less than nitrogen, and then it should be oxygen and then nitrogen. Why? Because this is half filled. Okay. We stop here. We stop here because of my, I have to attend one funeral. I cannot continue. I'll just inform them.